It was such a whirlwind. It felt like we were kind of swept up into this vacuum. At one point, it literally felt like we were the Beatles.
Everywhere we went, people knew exactly who we were.
And now it's like we could go to the coffee store and like we're completely left alone. That's what I mean. It feels like a different life.
They still want selfies with us.
This past weekend, the cast, minus Zac Efron,
This is only 10 years. Let's have a billion more. I love you guys.
reuniting to share fond memories for a Disney Channel 10th anniversary show on Wednesday.
What does it feel like to revisit a lot of where it all began for you?
It's amazing. For me, I kind of embraced the I want it all of Sharpay, and I'm doing it all. So got a clothing line, a makeup line coming out, producing, the movie coming out in May, so it's been insane.
I hated her through a lot of the first movie.
The truth.
I love Ashley so much more now.
It taught me that what you do is actually potentially going to impact people.
Just to come back into this room and to see everyone again and to go, oh my gosh, we were all part of this together. We made this incredible magic happen together.
Together, everyone. Part of the magic, their first live performance on GMA back in 2006.
You guys were the first ones to kind of make everybody know who we were, and it's really neat to be here doing this specifically.
We're all in this together.
As they continue to work on projects from Broadway and TV to the big screen, these actors reflecting on what made High School Musical special.
High School Musical came out at the perfect time. We were found by fans seeking us out.
To actually have real young people playing that age and then have them put under the microscope and to really survive, have nobody completely go off the rails. That's something that I think is a huge testament to what this cast is.
We have tons of other friends, but they don't understand what we've been a part of. And it's like this connection between all of us.
If somebody comes into your life, what do they have to know about this experience to understand you?
That they all come with me.
It's a package deal.
It's a package deal.
For Good Morning America, Chris Connolly, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Doesn't get old. No, those dance moves like that. The special High School Musical airs tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Eastern and Pacific on the Disney Channel.
You know, Jesse, wasn't he in high school 10 years ago? I think maybe that's true. I'm just segueing to you, Jesse.